This is the F4902 Decision Maker from Commodore, a 12-digit business and financial calculator brought out in 1978. That makes it 45 years old. Here it is. This is the manual for it. Congratulations, you have purchased or been given the most cost-effective financial calculator ever developed. The modest price of this calculator does not mean, however, that there are a limited number of features or a limited amount of power. Quite the contrary, this new Commodore calculator is the most powerful financial calculator Commodore has ever developed. Using a 9-volt battery, let's do the recommended test here, the square root of 9. And there we go. Quite common in this age of calculator.